What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs, and today we have a 2019 Ram 2500 in this beautiful burgundy red color that we sent up 5 inches on the rough country kit. We also upgraded this with the M1 Monotube shocks. Monotube shocks are a great addition to these trucks, especially as you're driving around the city. You also get some performance off-road and the added cooling benefits of having more fluid in there. The wheels are a new company that we're doing business with. They are KG1 forged. These are the KG015s in this chrome color. Forged wheels are a little bit more expensive than cast, but KG1 is at a very fair price compared to the competition. Through the process of making forged wheels, they're able to make the wheels lighter, but also stronger at the same time. That's why they carry the extra price tag. And then of course we wrap those in the 35, 12, 50, 22s. These are the Venom Power Terra XTs. All right guys, Brian, SoCo Customs, give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow. We're gonna see you in the next video.